In the intricate dance of running a business, financial management is often seen as both essential and overwhelmingly complex. Small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, frequently grapple with the challenge of accurate bookkeeping, tax compliance, and gaining actionable financial insights without the luxury of a full-time in-house accounting department. This is where services like Bookkeeper 360 step in, offering a modern solution that blends human expertise with cutting-edge technology. As an accounting software expert, I often encounter business owners asking, "What exactly does Bookkeeper 360 do, and how can it help my business?" The simplest answer is that Bookkeeper 360 provides a comprehensive suite of financial services designed to be an outsourced accounting department for SMBs. They don't just offer software, they offer people a team of US-based accounting professionals, powered by technology to manage your books, handle compliance, and provide strategic financial advice. Let's break down the core services and benefits Bookkeeper 360 delivers. 1. Core bookkeeping services. At its heart, Bookkeeper 360 offers meticulous bookkeeping. This is the foundation of sound financial management. They handle the day-to-day recording of your financial transactions, ensuring accuracy and timeliness. Transaction categorization and reconciliation. They connect to your bank accounts and credit cards, categorize every transaction, and reconcile your accounts monthly or even weekly, depending on your plan. This ensures that every dollar in and out of your business is accounted for and matches your bank statements. Accounts payable and receivable. Bookkeeper 360 can manage your bills and invoices. This means they can help with recording incoming payments from customers, accounts receivable, and outgoing payments to vendors, accounts payable. Some plans even include bill payment services, where they manage the actual payments on your behalf after your approval. Financial statement preparation. Accurate bookkeeping leads directly to accurate financial statements. Bookkeeper 360 prepares your key financial reports, including the balance sheet, profit and loss, income statement, and statement of cash flows. These reports are crucial for understanding your business's performance and financial health. Catch up bookkeeping and clean up. For businesses whose books have fallen behind or are in disarray, Bookkeeper 360 offers cleanup services. This involves going through past transactions to correct errors, categorize properly, and bring your financial records up to date. This is invaluable for preparing for tax season or gaining clarity on historical performance. 2. Tax services. Beyond just recording transactions, Bookkeeper 360 extends its expertise to tax compliance and strategy, aiming to simplify a notoriously complex area for business owners. Business tax preparation and filing. They can prepare and file various business tax returns, including corporate and partnership returns. Individual tax preparation. For many small business owners, their business and personal finances are closely linked. Bookkeeper 360 often offers individual tax preparation as an add-on, providing a holistic tax solution. Sales tax compliance. Especially crucial for e-commerce businesses, they can help manage sales tax obligations, including nexus studies, determining where you need to collect sales tax, calculations, and filings. Tax planning and advisory. This goes beyond mere compliance. Bookkeeper 360's experts can provide advice on tax strategies to help minimize your tax liability legally and efficiently, including guidance on deductions, credits, like R&D tax credits, and entity structure. 3. Payroll and HR services. Managing employees involves complex payroll calculations, tax withholdings, and compliance with labor laws. Bookkeeper 360 offers solutions to ease this burden. Full-service payroll processing. This includes calculating gross pay, deducting taxes and other withholdings, and calculating employer contributions. They can often handle direct deposits and generate W-2s and 1099s. Payroll tax filings. They manage the submission of required payroll tax forms to federal, state, and local agencies. HR support. Beyond just payroll, they can assist with HR-related tasks like time tracking, PTO management, workers' compensation insurance, and even benefits integration, often partnering with established payroll and HR platforms like Gusto and ADP. 4. CFO advisory services. This is where Bookkeeper 360 goes beyond basic compliance and into strategic financial guidance, acting as a fractional chief financial officer, CFO, for your business. Financial analysis and insights. Utilizing their in-house app and integrating with popular accounting software like QuickBooks Online and Xero, for which they are a platinum partner, Bookkeeper 360 provides interactive dashboards and real-time financial insights. This includes key performance indicators, KPIs, related to revenue, gross profit, operating expenses, cash flow, and cash burn. Forecasting and budgeting. They help businesses create financial forecasts and budgets, allowing owners to plan for the future, set realistic goals, and track performance against those goals. Cash flow optimization. Experts provide strategies and insights to improve your cash flow, ensuring you have enough liquidity to meet your obligations and invest in growth. Growth strategy consulting. Based on financial data, they can advise on pricing models, profitability analysis, and overall business growth strategies. This helps business owners make data-driven decisions. How Bookkeeper 360 benefits businesses. Time savings. Outsourcing these complex and time-consuming financial tasks frees up business owners to focus on core operations, sales, and growth. Expertise and accuracy. Access to a team of dedicated, US-based accounting professionals, CPAs, bookkeepers, tax experts, ensures your books are accurate and compliant with regulations. This reduces the risk of costly errors and penalties. Cost-effectiveness. For many SMBs, hiring a full-time in-house accountant or CFO is prohibitively expensive. Bookkeeper 360 offers a scalable solution, providing high-level expertise at a fraction of the cost. Real-time financial visibility. Through their app and integrations, businesses gain immediate access to their financial data, allowing for quicker, more informed decision-making. Scalability. Whether you're a startup needing basic bookkeeping or a growing business requiring comprehensive CFO-level advice, Bookkeeper 360 services are designed to scale with your needs. Peace of mind. Knowing that your financial records are in expert hands provides tremendous peace of mind, allowing business owners to sleep better at night.